Assalamu alaikum. I'm here on stage of Ali English House Academy. We give the opportunity to our students to deliver the speech here on stage. This is to develop their communication and personality and to make them the future leaders. So let's hear a speech from this boy, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to everyone. My dear brothers and sisters, how are you all doing today?
I am fine.
That's really wonderful. I would like to thank Ali English House Academy for giving me an opportunity to develop my personality. Today I am going to say a hadith. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said a hadith, Miftahul Jannati Salah, the key of Jannati Salah. Thank you for giving me. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair. Have a nice day.
MashaAllah. With another speech, we'll be back. Please share and subscribe. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum.